Hey there, it's Cassie from Elementor. In this video, I'll walk you through how to install Elementor. From the Elementor website, elementor.com, click Download Now. Enter your email address and click Download. Go to the WordPress dashboard. On the Plugins page, click Add New. Upload plugin. Choose the zip file from your computer. It'll be in your downloads. Press Open and Install Now. Then just activate the plugin, and you're ready to go. Now let's go over an alternative way to install it. From the dashboard, under Plugins, press Add New. Then over here on the top right, search for Elementor. Once you find it, click on Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. So there you go. Now Elementor is on your website. Now we can add a page. Back to the dashboard, go to Pages, add a new page, and name it. Click Edit with Elementor. Or add a page using this shortcut. Now you're all set to create your page. Thanks for tuning in. This is Cassie from Elementor. To learn how to start using Elementor to design stunning websites, check out the next video in this series. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel.